I wasn't planning to review OmniHuman. I only opened it because people kept saying the same thing. This could replace expensive AI video generators. That's a pretty bold claim. So instead of watching demo videos on X or YouTube, I decided to test it the way most people would. One photo, one prompt, one goal, create a realistic AI video. The first result honestly surprised me. The facial expressions looked natural. The lip sync was convincing. Even the small head movements felt more human than I expected. For a moment, I forgot I was looking at an AI generated video, but then I kept testing. Different photos, different prompts, longer clips, and that's where I learned something important. OmniHuman isn't trying to compete by adding hundreds of editing features. It's focused on making digital humans look believable. That's its biggest strength. Now, here's what nobody tells you. A realistic face doesn't automatically make a great video. I tested the same avatar with a weak script and then with a stronger script. The second version felt 10 times better. Same AI, different storytelling. That reminded me of something. People remember good stories, not perfect pixels. The AI can generate movement. It can't generate emotion for you. That's still your job. So, can OmniHuman replace premium AI video generators? For some people, yes. If you're creating talking head content, marketing videos, educational explainers, or social media clips, it gets surprisingly close. But if you're producing cinematic commercials with complex editing, visual effects, and multiple scenes, you'll probably still need a more complete workflow. After spending time with OmniHuman, I think I know who will benefit the most: content creators, business owners, marketing agencies, freelancers, startup founders who need professional looking AI presenters without hiring actors or a production crew. For those users, the time savings are huge. My final opinion: don't use OmniHuman because you're chasing perfect AI. Use it because you want to create convincing human videos faster and at a lower cost. That's where it delivers the most value. And honestly, that's why I think so many creators are starting to pay attention to it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.